Greetings and welcome for meditation healing with Divine Emerald Energy. This energy has a strong healing and protective qualities. It can restore and balance your body, mind and spirit. Let's begin. Take a comfortable position. Close your eyes. This will help you to switch from the physical reality and focus on your inner state and feelings. Take 3 deep breaths. Continue breathing in slowly through your nose. Your breathing calms down. Right now, you are relaxing. Now your mind, your thoughts become calm. If any thoughts come to you, just let go of them. Only keep concentrating on your breathing and follow my voice. With each breath you enter a state of inner peace and deep relaxation. Very good. Now imagine that you are in a beautiful natural place near the emerald spring with a waterfall. This place is surrounded by green trees. Soft sunlight is breaking through the crown of the trees. There is no one around. Notice the sounds of nature around you. This place gives you the inner state of absolutely harmony and peace. Now you are slowly entering into the water. With each step, you begin to feel and be filled with tranquility. Now you are standing right next to the incredibly beautiful waterfall. Slowly enter in the waterfall. You are starting to feel out and feel an incredible energy of ease and renew. Now you are completely under the streams of waterfall, under its soft magic stream. This is the highest healing energy of emerald color. Divine emerald flow. Feel how this flow washes away all your disease. All your elements in your body. Let this energy wash over your organs, by diving healing energy. Smile and mentally hug each of your elements. See how it's cured, update. Old and ill cells of your body being replaced by new and healthy ones. Feel how emerald energy is flowing not only on your surface of your body, but also penetrate inside, taking with them all the energy of disease, negative blocks. Right now, you have completely renewed and healing of your energy, your inner state, your organ, every cell, your skin, your blood. Feel how your mental body is healing, renewing, relaxing. Your thoughts are good and calm. Your emotional body is healing too. Under the flow of divine waterfall, emerald energy wash away all negative emotions and your negative experience. Now just stand under this flow of divine energy and enjoy this process, the process of healing, renewal, and rejuvenation. Feel how you completely cleanse and fill with healing energy. Like every part of you, every cell of you, ring of pure energy. Enjoy this endless, blissful feeling of peace, emotional, physical and mental harmony. Right now, confirm to yourself that now your body is free from any disease and any negative problems. Right now, tell yourself how you love yourself, how you love and accept your every cells. How you accept yourself absolutely and completely. Our session with Emerald Energy is coming to end. Now you are out of the healing spring. You are completely dry. The last drop of emerald stream filling down from your body, secured your recovery. Now thank this divine healing energy. Thank the universe and yourself for your healing session. Leave this beautiful place. You are overwhelmed with health and energy of peace and balance. You can return to this source at any time you want. Right now, on the count of 3, you return on the physical space. 1, 2, 3. Now become aware of your physical body. Open your eyes slowly. Then slowly move your arms and legs. I wish you all the best.